Hello, friends. This is Dr. Lyra Joyce Johnson. I've been president of this first year of DCABA, and it's time to elect our new slate of officers. So we're going to send you 2 emails this month. The first today is to ask you to nominate people to serve in either the office of vice president or member at large or secretary. Mary Caruso Anderson is going to move from vice president to president. I'll move as past president. And Joey Clem and Tamara Martyr will remain as members at large. Genevieve Marshall served 1 year. She can serve another term as member at large, but we need to open up nominations for one of the member at large positions. The member at large position does not have to be a BCBA. It can be a student in an approved ABA program, an RBT, a BCABA, a parent or caregiver, a stakeholder. And Rebecca Correll, who's been serving as our secretary this past year, is going to withdraw because she's going back for her PhD. So we all need to appoint someone else as secretary, so we're asking you to nominate someone or yourself for that position. Jacqueline Jackson will stay on as treasurer, and Colleen Williams will stay on as our communications officer. So in sum, we need 3 positions filled. The vice president, who serves 1 year as vice president and then becomes is also president-elect, becomes the president the following year. And we need 1 member at large who will serve a 3-year term, and 1 person to fill the role of secretary. And we ask you to keep in mind people with passion and commitment. It's been a good year because we've been incorporated this year, and we've gotten our affiliation with ABAI, and we're in the process of getting our nonprofit status. And then we hope to affiliate with APBA. We've had our first practicum fair that we partnered with the Chicago School of Professional Psychology. It was a big success. We had excellent speakers and a big turnout. If you missed it this year, I hope you'll catch it next year. And we're in the process of planning a parent training in ABA for families in DC soon. And we really need your participation in committees. I won't take any more of your time, but this week, please fill in our Google form for nominations. And in about a week, after we've contacted the nominees to confirm that they're willing to serve, we'll send you a roster of nominations and ask you to vote. We'd like to have our officers in place by the 1st of July. So, thank you for participating. Bye.